What if you could replace your 9 to 5 with a flexible, remote job, all from the comfort of your home? Imagine earning money in your pajamas, managing your own time, and building a full-time income without ever stepping into an office. It may sound too good to be true, but with the rise of AI-powered tools, remote work is more accessible than ever before. Whether you're just starting out or looking for a career change, the opportunities are endless. In this video, we'll explore the top 8 remote work opportunities for beginners, where anyone can start building their dream career. Let's dive right in and discover how you can start making money remotely today. 1. AI content editor and fact checker. Did you know that even though AI is great at generating content, it still often lacks accuracy and a human touch? As more companies use AI to create blog posts, reports, and social media updates, there's a growing need for people who can edit and fact-check this content. As an AI content editor or fact checker, your job will be to review the content generated by AI, ensuring it's accurate, on-brand, and engaging for the target audience. You'll be checking facts, correcting grammar, and making sure the tone fits the brand's voice. Why is this great for beginners? You don't need to be a professional writer to get started. Basic research skills and a keen eye for detail are all you need to make sure that AI-generated content meets high standards. If you're someone who enjoys reading and spotting errors, this role is perfect for you. You can find these opportunities on platforms like Upwork and LinkedIn, where companies are constantly hiring remote editors to help perfect AI-generated materials. Start small and you'll quickly gain experience, building a portfolio that will open up more advanced freelance opportunities. 2. Virtual Executive Assistant (VEA). Do you consider yourself highly organized? Do you enjoy helping others manage their time? Then becoming a virtual executive assistant (VEA) might be a perfect fit for you. A VEA does much more than answer emails. You'll be managing an executive's entire digital life, from scheduling meetings to handling project boards and coordinating follow-ups. The best part? As a beginner, you can start with basic administrative tasks like scheduling meetings, managing emails, and organizing documents. Over time, you can specialize in more complex areas, such as social media management or project management tools like Trello or Asana. This role is especially suited to individuals who are great at multitasking and who thrive on organization. Many of these positions are available through platforms like Belay or Fancy Hands, which connect virtual assistants with business owners and executives. 3. Customer Success Representative. Have you ever wished you could help people use technology more effectively? In the age of digital products and services, customer success representatives play an essential role in helping users get the most out of the products they purchase. Unlike traditional customer service, which focuses on solving problems, customer success is all about proactively ensuring that users are satisfied and happy with the products they use. You'll spend your days answering user questions, troubleshooting minor issues, and guiding them through software features. What's great for beginners is that most companies provide extensive training. You don't need to be an expert in the tech or product to start. Soft skills such as empathy and patience are just as valuable, if not more so, than tech skills. Platforms like Remote.co and We Work Remotely are filled with opportunities for remote customer success roles, so you can easily start building your career. 4. Search evaluation and data labeling. Have you ever wanted to help make AI smarter? As AI continues to improve, it needs humans to guide its learning. Search evaluation and data labeling are essential tasks that help AI systems become more accurate and effective. In search evaluation, you may be asked to evaluate how well search results match the query or rank search engine results based on relevance. In data labeling, you'll be identifying objects in photos or videos to help train AI systems used in autonomous vehicles, image recognition, and more. This type of work is perfect for beginners because it doesn't require advanced skills or technical experience. The tasks are highly flexible, and you can choose how much or how little you want to work. Platforms like Appen and TELUS International regularly post these kinds of opportunities. 5. Short-form video coordinator. Do you spend time watching TikToks, Instagram Reels, or YouTube Shorts? If you're already active on social media, you might have the fundamental skills to become a short-form video coordinator. Brands and influencers need help managing their growing short-form video content strategies, and that's where you come in. As a short-form video coordinator, your job would be to manage content calendars, upload finished videos, add captions, and respond to comments. You'll need to ensure that the content aligns with the brand's goals and resonates with the audience. This is a great opportunity for beginners because if you're already familiar with social media platforms, you can easily manage these tasks without needing extensive experience. It's a fast-growing area with plenty of opportunities, and you can find these positions at specialized marketing agencies or by reaching out directly to content creators on Twitter, X, or other platforms. As you build experience, you can scale up and take on bigger brands or even work with multiple clients at the same time. 6. Data entry and database management. Do you enjoy working with data and spreadsheets? If so, data entry and database management might be an excellent fit for you. Many companies need help transferring physical records into digital systems or maintaining their current digital records, and they hire remote workers to manage these tasks. As a data entry clerk, your job might involve inputting information into CRM systems like Salesforce or keeping inventory spreadsheets updated. The work can sometimes be repetitive, but it's also an excellent starting point for building your career in data-related roles. For beginners, data entry jobs are highly accessible. They don't require advanced technical skills, and you can work flexible hours. Platforms like Clickworker and Fiverr offer a variety of these jobs, where you can choose tasks that fit your schedule and comfort level. This job also serves as a foundation for moving into more specialized roles, like data analysis or database administration, as you gain experience. 7. Remote transcriber, AI-assisted. Do you have good listening and typing skills? Remote transcription jobs can pay you to convert audio from podcasts, legal meetings, or medical notes into text. But here's the kicker. AI-assisted transcription is now making it easier for beginners to jump in without needing to transcribe every word manually. With AI tools doing 90% of the work, your job as a remote transcriber is to clean up the text, correct errors, and ensure that the final document is perfect. Whether it's converting a podcast or transcribing medical meetings, there's a growing demand for transcription services, especially with the rise of podcasts and online content. The best part, you don't need to be an expert transcriber to get started. As long as you have a good microphone, a decent typing speed, and attention to detail, you can start earning quickly. Platforms like Rev and TranscribeMe offer flexible transcription jobs, and with the rise of AI, it's an ideal opportunity for beginners to dive in and make money on the side. 8. Tech Support Tier 1 Entry Level. Do you enjoy solving problems and helping others with tech issues? As more people work remotely, the demand for tech support has skyrocketed, making it a great entry-level job for anyone looking to break into the tech industry. As a Tier 1 tech support specialist, you'll help users with basic software and hardware issues, such as resetting passwords, setting up VPNs, and troubleshooting software glitches. This role is perfect for beginners because many companies provide on-the-job training, and you don't need advanced tech skills to get started. Soft skills like communication and patience are just as important as technical know-how, making this an ideal entry-level remote job for those new to the industry. Tech support jobs are available on platforms like Support.com or Apple Home Advisor, and many companies offer opportunities for remote certification programs like CompTIA A+ to boost your qualifications. As you gain more experience and certifications, you can move into more advanced roles, increasing your earning potential. And there you have it, 8 remote work opportunities perfect for beginners. Whether you're interested in AI content editing, tech support, or data entry, there's a remote job out there that fits your skills and interests. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more insights on how to build your remote career. Drop a comment below letting us know which job you're most excited to start, and tell us your experience with remote work so far. Start your journey to a flexible and rewarding career today, don't wait.